So you're a business owner and you have an attorney, maybe you have a number of attorneys who are all putting fires out. That fires could be somebody sued you, or another problem came up because of a contract that you didn't know about. And then you end up getting a big bill. So do you feel uncomfortable in your relationship with your attorney? Hi, I'm Denice Gierach, and I work with a lot of business owners. We have an Outsourced General Council program. And I want to say that attorneys generally have been doing things which helps to make that uncomfortable feeling stay. The first thing that has to be done is an expectation has to be set. A lot of attorneys even feel very uncomfortable, just as you do, in talking about what's the relationship going to look like. What should my expectations be? And there's a lot of smoke and mirrors about what that is. As an attorney, I have to take responsibility for my fellow attorneys who are doing this or have done this in the past. This doesn't work well for you as a business owner to help you grow your business. So how about if we do a different approach to this? Instead of having that uncomfortable, queasy feeling, let's set the expectations up front. Let's have the attorney call you before you need to have particular advice. Don't wait until the issue is a problem, but instead have the attorney call you proactively so that we can look at things to make sure that the problem is not there. This is a totally different approach because most clients' expectation is, under the current way of doing it, every time I will get a phone call from my attorney, I'm going to be charged, and I don't know what the bill is going to be. So in any particular time, when I go and hire that attorney or approach them when there is a problem, I know I'm going to have a big bill. But what if we didn't do it that way? What if instead we had the attorney contacting you as if they actually worked next door to you as the business owner? They had their own office. You're paying them as an employee in that situation, and that person's always available to you. So maybe you're not a company that's large enough to hire your own in-house general counsel, but what if you set it up in a way that you knew what the expectation's going to be? You have an attorney who has your best interests at heart and knows your company through and through, because they come in and they're asking questions. They come in and they want to know more about the company and what issues are there. And then if there's a problem, it's a much smaller problem. It doesn't have to be a major fire, so to speak. And then you can set it up so that you have a retainer, so you know, and you can budget. Every month, it's going to be this amount of money every single month. You're not going to be surprised at that. There may be some specialist that might have to be called in, just like in any business that has an in-house counsel. But how would that feel to you? It sounds to me, and what the feedback I get from my clients is, this is exactly what they've been looking for. They really want to rely upon that advisor, that the legal part, as well as having that advisor help them in growing their business. But they don't do it because they're afraid, they're on the clock, and they're going to have to pay a big bill. So if we wipe all of that clean, and instead what we have is we've defined the relationship right up front, and we know, because we have budgeted out, this is how much it's going to be an investment every single month, then both sides are happy. There may be some months where there is less going on. There may be some months that are more is going on. But that's the same if you had an in-house general counsel as well. So I encourage you to think differently about using a great business attorney. not only are they people that can give you the best legal advice, but they're also a great advisor. I saw an article recently where one of the Fortune 500 company chief legal officers said he loved his job because 95% of it was how to help the business grow. And that's what you want too. So why not partner with somebody that is thinking just like you? So I encourage you to find that right fit for yourself, and we would love to talk with you further to talk about this if this is something you have an interest in. Thanks so much, and I look forward to talking to you.